Hi, this is Jamie Buston, Service Manager at Volkswagen Chatham. If your Volkswagen has keyless entry and push button start, your vehicle may also be equipped with remote start system. Today we will discuss the features and the operation of the remote start system. When the remote start is used, your vehicle will automatically set its climate control to a comfortable temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. When outside temperatures are 15 degrees Celsius or below, the remote start will also activate your heated seat, rear defrost, and heated mirrors. Now we're going to go through the operation of the remote start system. Pressing the lock button and the remote start button 2 times within 3 seconds will start your vehicle. You can ensure that your vehicle has started by the activation of the marker lights. Once you enter your vehicle, you will need to put your foot on the brake and press the start button in order to exit the remote start mode and go into normal operating mode. If for some reason you need to shut the vehicle off after remote starting without entering the vehicle, you can simply do this by pressing the remote start button once on your key. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the remote start or any of the other features of your vehicle, please reach out to us at Volkswagen Chatham. Have a great day.